Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Interactive Brokers for professional margin settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Interactive Brokers website. Look for the option to open an account. Click on the button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to create an account type. Select the individual account option for personal trading. Proceed by entering your email address and setting a password. Confirm your email by checking your inbox for a verification email. Once confirmed, log back into your account. Fill out your personal information, including your name and address. Next, provide your social security number or tax identification number. Indicate your country of citizenship and residency. Now, specify your employment status and the name of your employer. Provide information about your investment experience and financial knowledge. Make sure to disclose your total assets and annual income. Select the trading permissions you seek, specifically for margin trading. Review and accept the customer agreement and risk disclosure. Submit any required identification documents for verification. Once your documents are submitted, wait for approval from Interactive Brokers. You may receive a notification about your account status via email. After approval, log back into your account. Navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Margin Settings option. Apply for professional margin settings by providing any additional required information. Submit your application for professional margin status. Wait for confirmation regarding your margin application. Once approved, familiarize yourself with the margin rules. Now you are ready to trade with professional margin settings at Interactive Brokers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.